My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, reading another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. So, I don't really know what to say about this. I don't know if I can just say it's a sneaker review or an early sneaker review. And the reason why I said that is because I was able to purchase this sneaker. No back door, nothing like that. I have my receipt and everything. But everywhere else, sneakers, Shoe Palace, all other websites I went to said that this shoe does not release until February the 1st. So I'm just gonna say this is an early sneaker review because I really haven't seen no other stores with it. So it's crazy. I'm not gonna say where I got the sneaker from because if they did sell it to me early, I don't want to get that store in trouble. So just know that I got everything legit. I got a receipt and everything. But anyway, enough talking. Early sneaker review. I've been hitting y'all with some fire, bro. Like the last 3 days. This is a third, and this is my third day in a row where I'm posting a sneaker review. So I'm trying to be consistent with it. So enough talking. Let's get to the shoe. I already purchased it right here. Let me take it out the box. So, like I said, I'm not trying to get nobody in trouble. So, stay tuned. Let me get the shoe out. Be right back. Okay. As you can see, we got this Jordan box right here. Oh, look at that. I like that little print right there. I like that Jumpman in the middle. This is like a reddish, pinkish color, but they're more red, like cranberry a little bit. Let's get to the description. It reads, Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro Vday. Y'all know what Vday stands for. Color is wash, floral, gem red sail. So that's what this color is, gem red. Suggested retail price I think is like $200, maybe $210. I think it was $210. I'm not too sure. It's a size 10, which is the equivalent of a men's 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, so let's get straight to the shoe. Right off the back, you see it right here. You see the Jumpman, the hearts, and the white tissue paper right there. If you don't know, what you should know, Vday stands for Valentine's Day. So this is a Valentine's Day Jordan. I did have the Jordan 3 Valentine's Day that came out, I think, last year or 2 years ago. That was the last time I bought like a Valentine's Day Jordan or like that. So I'll post a picture of those like right now or something like that. Maybe, I don't know. I might not even know. But yeah, white paper. Ooh, these are so fire. Boom, take this out. Yeah. And these do have a name. I don't know if it's the official name, but I think I saw it on sneakers. So the name I'm going to tell y'all is what I think it is. So, all right, without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 3. Treat yourself. Boom. Okay, yeah, we got the Air Jordan 3 Treat Yourself. That's the name that I saw right off back. I love this. I love how it looks like. Look at that them little cracks, but it looks like it's reflective a little bit. I love that right now. This is the Air Jordan 3 Vday Valentine's Day exclusive shoe for this year's Valentine's Day. See these little charms right there? This is a women's exclusive. I like that. I like those little charms. These are definitely dope. It is on both shoes right there. But this is like a sail pink type color. I love this. Y'all know pink my favorite color. And if you don't know, now you know. Look at that. We got that gem red Jumpman on the tongue. I don't think it came with no extra laces. I don't see no extra laces in here. I just see these pink ones. But the pink ones is good. I mean, maybe some white ones probably look good. Also to make it like stand out a little bit. But the pink ones are good. See all the eyelids? They are that gem red color right there. Boom. This is a nice little leather. You can see it already wrinkling up, so I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. And it's crazy, air bubble right there, white midsole, Jordan Air on the back. It's crazy about this because I didn't even think I was gonna buy a shoe for January. Like I was today's like the 23rd. I thought I was out of this month, and I'm not. So I bought this, whatever, like that. But I mean, I didn't even really want these. Just one of these. And the more I saw them, the more I was like, you know what? These are actually pretty solid. So I was like, you know what? It was available. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna get it. This might be the thumbnail right here. Let me see. I ain't trying to get those people in the background. Let's see. Can we do that? Let me see. That might be the thumbnail. Anyway, yeah. So what y'all think about these? The Treat Yourself, the Air Jordan 3 Treat Yourself, women's exclusive. I think this is a dope shoe. As you know, this is a cop, so I got it. So early review, I guess you want to call it early review. This might be the thumbnail too. This is actually pretty dope too. Ooh, I might do that thumbnail. That's dope. I like that. I think that's gonna be thumbnail. But all right, let me switch the camera back to me so I can give y'all some proper information. I'm still gonna do that. Give y'all some real proper information from like a legit website so y'all can know some more legit stuff about it. So I'll be right back. Let me just flip the camera real quick. Okay, I'm back. Had to switch the camera real quick. So let me give y'all some information. Let me fix my hat. There we go. I don't like when my hat like kind of get pushed in a little bit. But all right, get some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Try to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It should be up right now. You can read along with me. I still got it on the side of it. So Air Jordan 3, Treat Yourself, Valentine's Day release, February 2025. See, even this says February, and it's not February yet. So again, I mean, it was no backdoor, and it was nothing, no shiesty stuff. Like, I was able to purchase it. So I don't know why, but I mean, it is what it is. So all right, let's get you this information. Reads, Jordan brand is set to release an exclusive women's Air Jordan 3 Valentine's Day colorway. This special edition sneaker will be available in February 2025. The design features a charming wash coral, gem red, and sail color palette, perfectly aligning with the holiday of love. The upcoming Air Jordan 3 comes dressed in a wash coral, gem red, and sail color scheme. The upper is covered in wash. Oh, excuse me. The upper is. Where was that? The upper is covered in wash coral, giving it a soft pink tone. Red accents can be found on the tongue branding and eyelids. Additionally, the Jumpman logo is predominantly displayed on the heel tabs, while the midsole is done in sail. Rounding out the design is a semi-translucent rubber outsole. Air Jordan 3 Valentine's Day 2025 release date. Air Jordan 3 Valentine's Day will release on February the 1st, 2025 at selected Jordan brand retailers and stores online and on Nike.com, available in women's sizing. The retail price tag is set at $215 USD. Jordan brand is celebrating Valentine's Day in the style of this exclusive release. The combination of wash coral, gem red, and sales color makes this sneaker a must-have for fans. The iconic design and expected features promise both comfort and fashion. This special edition will surely be a hit among sneaker enthusiasts and those looking for a stylish Valentine's Day gift. All right, so that's pretty much all the information. There goes some more pictures. Let me get this ad out the way. All right, there goes some more pictures for if you didn't get enough from me. Okay, boom. Boom, boom. Some more. That's the box. And there we go. All right, and close this out. All right, so, like I said, I guess this is an early sneaker review. It says February the 1st. The bottom line is I got my receipt. That's all I care about. I got my receipt. I didn't pay nothing extra. Nothing shady at all. Nothing like that. Cause I know y'all be quick to, not in my comments, but in general, y'all be like, oh, I can't stand such and such store because they be backdooring. Listen, hold on. Excuse me real quick. It's a ambulance about to come by. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna pause it so y'all don't gotta hear this. Hold on. Oh, okay. Anyway, I don't know if that guy. Okay. I think the guy was like revving his engine because I was walking across the street, and he thought I could walk a little bit faster. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So, legit pair. legit bought it and everything like that. So I guess, I don't know. I don't know why this store didn't have a release date on it. But hey, I'll take that W. I'll take that win. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan, the women's Air Jordan 3 Treat Yourself. That's what they calling it. Or Vday, something like that. Is it a cop or drop? As you can see, it definitely was a cop for me. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.